Python didn't release a new version this year that shocked the world. There was no dramatic framework war, no new language rewrite. But something fundamental changed. Pandas 3.0 quietly entered release candidate, and AI coding agents quietly entered production workflows. One changes how your data behaves. The other changes who writes your code. And most developers haven't fully processed what that means. Today, we're going deep. For years, Pandas stored text columns as object. That decision made sense early on. Python didn't have a native string dtype in Pandas, but object was never a clean abstraction. Let's demonstrate. The dtype says object, but what does that mean? The values are strings. The dtype says object. Object is a container, not a contract. Now let's make it worse. Still object, no warning, no enforcement. In data pipelines, this is silent chaos. Now let's look at Pandas 3.0. Now we have a dedicated string dtype. This changes. Schema validation, type inference. Missing value behavior, memory layout. Let's inspect memory. When PyArrow is installed, Pandas can store string data in a more compact, columnar format. That improves performance in large text datasets, analytics workloads, feature engineering pipelines. This is subtle, but foundational. Now let's talk about the bigger shift, copy on write. For years, Pandas slicing behavior was unpredictable. Let's recreate the confusion. Did we mutate the original? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depended on internal optimizations. That's dangerous. Original remains stable. This eliminates silent mutation bugs. Under the hood, Pandas delays copying until a write occurs. This preserves memory efficiency. So you get safety without unnecessary allocation. That's engineering maturity. Now let's address the concern. If everything behaves like a copy, won't memory explode? No. Copy on write avoids copying until mutation. It's lazy duplication. You pay for mutation, not for slicing. This aligns Pandas more closely with predictable data systems. And predictable systems scale. Now zoom out. While Pandas improves predictability, AI coding agents are accelerating development. Let's simulate a real workflow. That's powerful, but let's test it. AI accelerates change, but humans validate intent. Here's the real tension. AI produces code faster than teams can review it. Developers report increasing review time. That's a verification debt. The faster the code generation, the stronger your testing discipline must be. Otherwise, you scale bugs. Pandas 3.0 reduces ambiguity. AI agents increase velocity. Together, they represent a new development model. Safer data layer, faster development layer. But clarity remains the competitive advantage. The developers who win in 2026 won't be the fastest. They'll be the most disciplined. Would you let AI commit directly to your production branch? Or does every line still need human review? Let me know in the comments. And if you want deep technical breakdowns like this, subscribe. Because Python isn't slowing down.